come to the next paragraph where we can have this information about that frequency of earthquake occurrences. How long the earthquakes are happening, in which places the earthquakes we can have are earthquake prone areas. So earthquake frequency, that refers to how often the earthquakes occur. Yes, and their potential for damage, because in all the places we can't have the earthquake. In all the places in a same magnitude or the same intensity we can have the earthquake. So some of the magnitudes are high, some of the magnitudes are low, some are moderate. So how long, how often the earthquakes are occurring in some places, that is called the earthquake occurrences or the frequency of the earthquake. High magnitude earthquakes with a magnitude of 8 or higher, that are infrequent. That means it's very much rare and happening once every 1 to 2 years. So in contrast, smaller earthquakes occur almost every minute. That means the movements of the plate we cannot feel, but it's happening every minute in our life. So there is also given one example. 1906 San Francisco earthquake serves as an example of high magnitude earthquake which had an estimated magnitude which is 7.9. All of you can mark down this sentence, 7.9 magnitude, which caused a significant destruction in San Francisco and the neighboring areas. So this was a such powerful earthquake. It's relatively low. That kind of earthquake we can't have, because if it's happening, then the world will be destroying within soon. So it can't happen. What we have learned from the above para, earthquake frequency, which refers to the earthquake happens in an often area or the frequently. High magnitude earthquakes, it's upper than 8 or more than 8, once every 1 to 2 years. Smaller earthquakes are much more frequent, every day, every minute it's happening, we are not feeling it. And San Francisco earthquake example is given over there when the magnitude was 7.9, which causes a damage and serves an example for the less frequent high magnitude earthquake. Less frequent, but frequency was less. More often it's not happening, but the magnitude was high. That means the effects of this earthquake was very destructive.